In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import rules into Microsoft Outlook. This process is especially helpful if you have previously backed up your rules or need to transfer them from another device. Instead of rebuilding everything manually, importing rules allows you to quickly restore your automated email organization and continue working without interruption. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and ensure that you are viewing your main mailbox interface. Once the application is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top left area of the window and select the File tab. This will take you into the main settings and account management section of Outlook. From there, look for the option labeled Manage Rules and Alerts, then click on it. A new window will open, displaying all the rules currently configured in your Outlook account. This area is where you can create new rules, modify existing ones, or manage how incoming emails are automatically processed. Inside the Rules and Alerts window, locate and select the Options button. Clicking this will open an additional settings panel that provides more advanced rule management tools. Within this panel, you will find the option to import rules. Go ahead and select it to proceed. After selecting Import, a file browsing window will appear on your screen. This window allows you to navigate through your computer and locate the saved rules file. These files are typically stored in the .rwz format. Carefully browse to the folder where your rules file is located, select it, and then click Open to start the import process. Once the file has been successfully imported, your rules will appear in the Rules and Alerts list. At this stage, take a moment to review each rule carefully and confirm that they are enabled. If any rule appears unchecked, simply select the checkbox next to it to activate it. When you are satisfied that everything is correctly set up, click Apply, and then select OK to finalize and save your changes. Your imported rules will now become active and will automatically begin organizing incoming emails based on the conditions you have defined. As an additional tip, if you notice that your rules are not working immediately, restarting Outlook can often resolve the issue. It is also important to ensure that your rules match the correct email account and folder structure, as mismatched configurations may prevent them from functioning properly. And that is it. You have successfully imported rules into Microsoft Outlook, helping you streamline your email management and maintain a more organized inbox. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.